This indicator provides a comprehensive, automated system for identifying, tracking, and trading support and resistance S/R breakouts. By synthesizing classic swing high and swing low pivot analysis with multi-timeframe (HTF) capabilities and volume confirmation, it transforms raw price action into actionable structural data. It is designed to declutter charts by automatically managing active levels and highlighting significant market structure shifts, higher highs, lower lows, alongside verified breakout signals. Sparkle's originality and utility. While many indicators draw static pivot points, this tool distinguishes itself through state management. It treats support and resistance not just as historical markers, but as active zones that evolve. Dynamic level management. Instead of flooding the chart with infinite lines, the script uses arrays to store a specific number of recent levels. As price action progresses, invalid or broken levels are removed or updated, keeping the analysis focused on current relevance. Multi-timeframe confluence. Uniquely, it allows you to overlay higher timeframe support and resistance levels, e.g., daily levels on a 4-hour chart, without changing your chart view, enabling top-down analysis instantly. Market structure labeling. It automatically tags pivot points with Dow theory labels, HH, LH, LL, HL, aiding traders in instantly recognizing trend direction without manual charting. Microscope methodology and concepts. The script operates on 3 core technical pillars. Swing pivot detection. The foundation is the detection of local extrema using a left/right bar lookback mechanism. A swing high is identified when a high is greater than the L bars preceding it and the R bars following it. This confirms a fractal peak or valley. Note on confirmation, because the script waits for R bars to close to confirm a pivot, the lines appear retroactively. However, the extension of these lines and subsequent breakout signals occur in real time. Breakout logic with volume integration. A breakout is triggered when the close price crosses an active S/R line. Resistance break, current close resistance level, and previous close less than or equal to level. Support break, current close support level, and previous close greater than or equal to level. Volume confirmation, an optional filter requires the breakout bar's volume to exceed a moving average of volume, ensuring momentum backs the move. Time decay. To mimic the reduced relevance of stale levels, the script includes a time decay feature. If a level is not interacted with for a user-defined number of bars, it is automatically purged from the system, ensuring the chart reflects only fresh interest levels. Artist Palette Visual Guide. The indicator uses a specific color coding and labeling system to convey information quickly. Support and resistance lines. Red lines, thin, represent active resistance levels on the current timeframe. Green lines, thin, represent active support levels on the current timeframe. Fuchsia lines, thick, represent higher timeframe (HTF) resistance levels. Aqua lines, thick, represent higher timeframe (HTF) support levels. Market structure labels. Located at the pivot points, these text labels define the trend structure. HH/LH, higher high/lower high, red text. LL/HL, lower low/higher low, green/aqua text. HTFR/HTFS, indicates major structural pivots from the higher timeframe. Breakout signals. When a valid break occurs, a label appears above or below the bar. Blue triangle up, bullish breakout through resistance. Blue triangle down, bearish breakout through support. Number in label indicates the cumulative count of breaks for that specific trend sequence, e.g., 1 is the first break, 2 is the second. The breakout count represents the intensity of the move. A reading greater than 1 signals exceptional market strength, indicating the penetration of multiple key levels, support or resistance, within a single candle. Open book how to use. Trend continuation. In an uptrend, sequence of HH/HL, wait for a blue triangle up, occurring at a red resistance line. This signals the continuation of the trend. Trend reversal. Watch for a structure break. If price is making higher highs, but then breaks a green support line, generating its signal, and forms a lower low, LL, the trend may be reversing. HTF bounce plays, use the thick fuchsia/aqua lines as major zones. If price approaches a thick aqua line, HTF support, and fails to break it, look for LTF bullish structure, HH/HL, to form for an entry. Volume filtering. Enable the volume confirmation setting to filter out fake outs, breaks on low volume.